आज एक इंटरेस्टिंग दिन था. 3 trades, a loss, a missed opportunity and a small win. And somewhere in between I was trying something new, trailing my trades without a fixed target, trying to capture a bigger trending move. Did it work? Let's find out. Today is Friday 8th of May 2026, Nifty non-expiry session, and from the opening itself market gave a clear signal. Nifty opened gap down below previous day low. Now this is something I have observed over time. When market opens below previous day low, generally a sell-off follows and market continues to fall. Based on that observation, I decided to act quickly. Right at the beginning of the session, I entered a CE sell trade in 24,250 CE. The logic was simple: gap down below previous day low, sellers should be in control, market should continue falling. No confirmation candle, no waiting, just the gap down observation and straight into the trade. Market did fall a few points initially, but in the very next candle it recovered sharply and my stop loss got hit. Total loss in this trade around 2000. Now looking back, the observation about previous day low was not wrong, but entering at the very beginning of the session without waiting for any confirmation, that was the mistake. Opening candles are often the most volatile and unpredictable, and jumping in without confirmation is something I need to be more careful about. After that loss, I waited and looked for next setup. A rejection candle was forming below CPR S1 level. CPR S1 is a support level, and when price forms a rejection candle below it, it means sellers are still in control at that zone. I entered the trade in 24,200 CE with SL set above the candle high. This time I deliberately kept no fixed target. The reason? Last few trading days have been quite range bound and sideways, and I was expecting that today being Friday, a good trending move might finally come. So the plan was to trail my stop loss and try to capture as many points as possible if a big move developed. The trade moved well initially. Strike went down almost 30 points from my entry, and near 23,150 level, a sharp reversal candle formed with a long wick. That long wick candle was actually my cue to exit. It was clearly telling me sellers are losing strength here, buyers are stepping in. But I did not exit. I held the trade hoping that the fall would continue, hoping a big trending move was still coming, and that hope cost me. Market reversed from there, my TSL got hit and I exited with only 780 profit. 30 points were available on the table and I walked away with far less. The long wick candle was a clear signal and I ignored it. Trying to capture more is not wrong, but when the chart is giving you an exit signal, you have to listen to it. For my third trade, I entered CE sell again, this time in 24,250 CE. The setup was a 20 EMA and 200 EMA crossover, with a rejection candle forming right below both EMAs. When price gets rejected from EMA crossover zone, it often signals that a downtrend is continuing. Again, no fixed target. Same plan as trade 2, trail the trade and try to capture a bigger move post 1 pm. My observation is that after 1 pm Nifty often gives a trending move. And with 23,190 acting as a support level, I was watching to see if market would finally break it. The trade was slow, market was flat for a long time. Almost till 1 pm I was sitting in this trade. 23,190 was holding as a strong support. Market tried to break it multiple times and finally around 12.5 it broke. But even after the breakdown, market started consolidating again, taking support near 23,150. No big trending move came. I booked around 20 points in this trade, profit of roughly 2,800, net profit of 800 in this strike, as I had a 2,000 loss in the first trade. The result was not what I was hoping for, but given how the day had gone, I'll take it. 3 trades done for the day, max trade rule followed, stopped after third trade. Overall 1,400 profit on the day. After yesterday's 2,700 loss, a green day, even a small one, is always welcome. तो आज का दिन मिक्स्ड रहा. प्रॉफिट हुआ बट ऑनेस्टली एग्जीक्यूशन में अभी भी काफ़ी कुछ इम्प्रूव करना है. पहला लेसन, ओपनिंग ट्रेड्स नीड कन्फर्मेशन. Gap down below previous day low was a valid observation, but jumping in immediately without a confirmation candle put me in a vulnerable position. Opening candles are volatile और उसमें बिना confirmation के entry लेना risky होता है. दूसरा और सबसे बड़ा lesson, when the charts give you a signal, respect it. Trade 2 में 30 points available थे और एक clear long wick reversal candle भी थी. That was the chart telling me यहाँ से move खत्म हो रहा है. But I ignored it hoping for more. Trailing strategy is good, but it has to come with a discipline to exist when price gives you a signal. तीसरा लेसन, एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन इज ओके. आज मैंने डेलिबरेटली ट्राई किया, नो फिक्स टारगेट, ट्रेल द ट्रेड, कैप्चर अ बिगर मूव. It didn't fully work today, but that doesn't mean the approach is wrong. It just means I need to refine it, especially the part of reading exits signals while training. Overall, आज एक learning day था. Profit small था, but lessons were bigger. Let's see what next week brings. अगर आप भी ट्रेलिंग स्ट्रैटेजीज यूज़ करते हैं या प्रीवियस डे लो, गैप डाउन प्लेस ट्राई करते हैं, डू शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस इन कमेंट सेक्शन. वुड लव टू नो हाउ यू अप्रोच इट. Because at the end of the day, this channel is all about learning and improving together. अगर इस वीडियो से कुछ वैल्यू मिली, फील फ्री टू लाइक द वीडियो. और अगर आपको ये रियल ट्रेड ब्रेकडाउन्स पसंद आते हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. Let's improve our trading one step at a time. Thank you and have a great day.